Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sekinah and I am here to help you on your skincare journey. Now, have you ever wondered, is black soap even suitable for all skin types? Or maybe you've heard some myth about how black soap actually works. Well, stick around because today I'm going to be separating the myth from the facts, and I'm going to be helping you decide if black soap is the right choice for your skin type. You guys know I talk a lot about black soap on my channel. Like, black soap has been used for many generations in the African skincare routine because it is celebrated for its natural ingredients and its amazing benefits. But is black soap really a one-size-fits-all? That is where the question comes in. And today I'm going to be debunking some myth on black soap, basically the things that you've heard about black soap that's that's been lingering in your mind, like, is it true, is it not true? All right, let's jump into the first myth. The first myth that I'm going to be talking about is black soap is too harsh for sensitive skin. Oh, I have sensitive skin, black soap is too harsh for my skin, it damaged my skin, I used black soap and my skin became so terrible. This is something that I hear a lot recently. Is black soap really harsh for sensitive skin? Now, this is partially true and partially false. Like I've always said on my channel, black soap is very intense, so for beginners you need to be careful when you use it. And if you do not know how to use black soap correctly, believe me, you can damage your skin. Like, if you have sensitive skin, you want to start slow when you're using black soap. Like, you want to try using it about 2-3 times a week, like basically a couple times a week, and see its effect. Very important thing about black soap is black soap can be very drying. So you really want to follow it with an hydrating moisturizer. So if you have sensitive skin, you need to be careful with black soap because it will dry out your skin. It will deprive your skin of the necessary nutrients and moisture and oils that it needs to thrive. So that's why you see that a lot of people that have sensitive skin use black soap and it damages their skin because they do not know how to use that black soap properly. If you want to know how to use your black soap properly, I have a video on that on my channel. I'm going to be linking it in the description box below or somewhere up here, so make sure to check that out, because if you are not using black soap properly, believe me, you are going to damage your skin. Also, I would suggest you do a patch test before you use black soap. Basically any product, but especially black soap, I would suggest to do a patch test. So actually debunk this myth, black soap can actually be used on sensitive skin, but it requires a lot of care and attention. Personally, I have sensitive skin and I've been using black soap for so long and it works well with my skin type. So you should know, yes, black soap is good for sensitive skin, but you need to know how to use it properly. The second myth we're going to be debunking is black soap is only for oily skin. This is another misconception. While it is true that black soap can help oily and acne-prone skin thanks to its astringent properties that helps to remove excess oil, it is also rich in nourishing ingredients like shea butter, which helps with hydration. That means people with dry skin can also use black soap. You just have to be mindful not to overuse it. For dry skin, you want to limit your usage to 2 to 3 times in a week, just like sensitive skin. And make sure to follow up with a good moisturizer, a good hydrating moisturizer. So to debunk this, black soap is not only for oily skin. It is actually suitable for all skin type as long as you use it the right way. The third myth we are going to be talking about is black soap can lighten your skin. As much as we wish this is true, black soap is not a magic fix. And this one is actually a bit misleading because black soap will not lighten your skin. It is not a bleaching product and it should not be used with that expectation. However, black soap does have some natural exfoliating properties, which in time can gradually improve the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And this can lead to a more even skin tone or a more natural glow. But it is a process, so consistency is key. You want to think of black soap as a part of a long-time skincare routine rather than an overnight solution for dark spots. And always remember to wear sunscreen to protect your skin from sun rays. The fourth myth is more black soap equals better results. If anybody tell you that using more black soap or leaving black soap on your skin for a long period of time would give you better results, it is a big lie. This is just completely wrong and misleading. Overusing black soap can actually strip your skin of its natural oil, making it overproduce oil or become irritating. Because when it comes to black soap, a little goes a long way. And you should please always follow up with a good hydrating moisturizer. I cannot stress that enough. Now, all in all, the big question remains, is black soap for everyone? Is black soap suitable for all skin types? The simple answer is yes. It's an amazing product, but it all depends on how you use it and understanding your skin type. In summary, if you have sensitive or dry skin, try using it once or twice a week. And for my oily or acne-prone skin girlies like me, black soap could be a great addition to your daily skincare routine. that means you can use it every day. So whether you have oily, dry, sensitive or acne prone skin, it's all about balancing black soap with hydration and using it mindfully. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss my next video. And if you've used black soap before, let me know in the comment section below. Comment what your experience has been like. How did it work for you and your skin type? If you have any question or video request that you'd like me to make, also leave it in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.